Hi, grade 5s. Welcome to your IXL lesson. Today, we are going back into IXL after your test on measurement, and we're going to be looking at two-dimensional figures, which is section W. So we're going to start with W1 and W2 today. Let's get into it. What is a polygon? So I have made notes for you, which is in your work outline, which you can feel free to print if you have that possibility at home, or just keep it as a tab, a separate tab that you can refer to as you go through. Try to get it well practiced and try to refer to it less and less and less as possible, so that you'll do a really great job on your test. If you are looking at this Learn with an Example, which is available only right at the beginning in your section, if you've tried a question, it's going to be gone, unfortunately, but that's why the notes are there for you to refer to. Obviously, if you get mistakes, it will bring up again this screen that's going to have that question. It's going to give you the correct answer for that specific question you got wrong and bring up this key idea each time to remind you. So this is what I wanted to point you to right now, the definition of what a polygon is. So a polygon, it's a closed figure, has to be closed. It can't be have like a little gap here and be open, have an open place for someone to walk through or whatever. Polygon is a closed figure and it needs to have straight sides. So looking at this example here, we can see it is closed, but it does not have straight sides. So it is not a polygon, this one. The closed figure starts and ends at the same point. Okay, so let's go back and try a few options here. Is this a polygon? Is it a closed shape? Yes. Does it have straight sides? Yes. Therefore, yes, it is a polygon. Let's look at this one. Is this a polygon? Is it closed? Yes. Does it have straight sides? No. If either one of those is not there, then it's not a polygon. One more together. Is this a polygon? It's closed, but it is not straight, so no. Okay, so you can continue with those. Let's look at W2. A little bit of scrolling down. Number of sides and polygons. Now this is something that I remember studying when I was your age, and I have never actually forgotten it. So this is an important part of your information that you need to get really stuck into your head. Triangle, I'm sure you all know by now that a triangle has got 3 sides. Quad, from your Greek and Latin roots, you might know that quad is 4, right? So in South Africa, we call it a quad bike. ATV, I think you call it here, like a 4-wheeler, right? We actually called it a quad bike, which helped me remember 4 wheels, right? A pentagon, 5 sides, hexagon, 6, heptagon, 7, octagon, and you'll think of an octopus, that's 8, right? Nonagon, none and 9 sound similar. Deca, we know that that is 10, decade, right? There's your 10, and then a dodecagon is 12 sides. They don't have a cool name for an 11-sided figure, at least one that I know of. Perhaps that's maybe a Google question for you. All right, so this you need to just learn. Come up with some trick to remember the different sides, but you'll need to know what the names are of those shapes. So let's go and have a look at some practice. So these are the kinds of questions that you'll come across. How many sides does a triangle have? The triangle, if we look back, it had 3 sides. Okay, 3 sides in a triangle. Good. A decagon is 10 sides. Decagon, 10 sides. You could be looking back and referring to your notes if you wanted to. And looking, an octagon has got 8 sides. How many sides does an octagon have? 8 sides. All right, so these two are just trying to get you to figure out what is a polygon and then the number of sides for each polygon. I hope that that goes well and that you will be able to have a great day further. Bye for now.